English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2, illusion, likelihood, mortality. Illusion. Illusion is a noun. C2 learners usually know illusion. An illusion is an image that seems real but is not real. Here are some examples. It's not real, it's an optical illusion. Both audio and visuals support the illusion that the artist is trying to create. Pilots are trained to understand and avoid visual illusions. Likelihood. Likelihood is a noun. C2 learners usually know likelihood. Likelihood is the state of something being probable or likely. Here are some examples. In all likelihood, the economy will suffer. If they attack, the likelihood of war increases. It happens when young people can see no likelihood of being employed. Mortality. Mortality is a noun. C2 learners usually know mortality. Mortality is the state of being subject to death. Here are some examples. It reminds people of their own mortality. Her risk of mortality is higher because of her weight. He investigates the causes of mortality in infants and children. Now write some of your own sentences with illusion, likelihood, and mortality. Download the free C2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.